Neighborhoods that Freak says are really secret kingdoms. I'll bet we've gone 10 miles at least because my legs think it's 100. And even as light as Freak is, he's starting to feel heavy. We're almost there, he says. Turn at the end of the block. Where is it we're going? You'll see, he says, and you will be amazed. Ahead there's this busy intersection, cars whizzing by, and it all seems sort of familiar. Can we stop for a Coke? I say. Grim gave me $1. Big deal. We can split it. Freak goes, then that shall be your reward, faithful steed. Tinted sucrose and bubbles of air. Onward, onward to the fortress. It turns out the fortress looks like part of a hospital, which it is. The regular hospital is added on front, out back, and there's this new building added. Medical research, it says over the door. And I know because I made Freak spell it out. Does that mean they do experiments and stuff? Freak says, indeed they do. What kind of experiments, I ask. Can you keep a secret, he says. Do you swear on your honor? Sure, on my honor. He's shifting around on my shoulders so much, I'm afraid he'll fall off. That's not good enough, he says. You need to swear by blood. You mean like cut myself? Well, no, he says. And you can tell he is not necessary. It's the same thing as if you just spit on your hand. Huh? Saliva is like blood without the red, he says. Do as I say, spit in your hand. So I spit in my hand, just a little drop. But Freak says it doesn't matter how much a single molecule would work, because it's the principle of the thing. Now put your hand over your heart, he says. I put my hand over my heart. Now, swear on your heart that the data you are about to receive will be divulged to no one. I swear. Freak bends down, and he's got his hand cupped around my ear, and he's whispering. Inside the research building is a secret laboratory called the Experimental Bionics Unit. The unit's mission is to develop a new form of bionic robot for human modification. What's that? I say. Shh. Speak of this to no one. But at some future time, as yet to be undetermined, I will enter that lab and become the first bionically improved human. I still don't know what it means, I say.